In this video training of Python, we will be looking at Python Numpy array shape and reshaping. So what is a shape of an array? The shape of an array is the number of elements in each dimension. So how you can get the shape of an array? Numpy arrays have an attribute called shape that returns a tuple with each index having the number of corresponding elements. So let's print the shape of a 2D array. So first of all, let's create a project file for this video. Let's call it Python Numpy shapes.py. Let's import the Numpy library, and then we can set array and we can pass 1 2 3 4, and this is a 2D array. And let's print array dot shape, save the file, go back to the console and run the program Python Numpy shapes. And okay, sorry, I have a typo here and it's basically NP, not NPP. Go back to the console. You see we have 2 and 4. This means that the array has 2 dimensions and each dimension has 4 elements. Now let's create an array with 5 dimensions using min using a vector with values 1 2 3 4 and verify that last dimension has value 4. So let's comment this, import numpy as np array np dot array and pass in 4 values and ndmin equals 5, print array and print dot shape. Save the file, go to the console, run the program. You see we have 1 1 1 and at the end we have 4. So it displayed the shape of a 2D array. So what does the tuple represent? Integers at every index tells about the number of elements that corresponding dimension has. In the example above, at index 4 we have 4 value. So we can say that 5th 4 plus 1th dimension has 4 elements. Now let's look at reshaping arrays. Reshaping means changing the shape of an array. The shape of an array is the number of elements in each dimension. By reshaping, we can add or remove dimensions or change number of elements in each dimension. So we can convert or reshape from 1D to 2D array. Let's convert the following 1D array with 12 elements into a 2D array. The outermost dimension will have 4 arrays, each with 3 elements. So let's see this in action. Import numpy as np and array is equal to np dot array, and let's have 12 elements 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and new array equals array dot reshape, and let's pass in 4 3 and print new array. Save the file, go to the console. You see we have a new array with 4 arrays, and that's a 2D array with 4 inner arrays. So we have successfully used reshape function of numpy arrays. Let's convert from 1D array to 3D array. So we can pass in 2, 3, 2 for the same array, and let's go to the console. You see we have converted the array into a 3D array. Flattening the arrays. Flattening array means converting multi-dimensional array into a 1D array. We can use reshape -1 to do this, convert the array into a 1D array. So let's see this in action. Okay, and let's convert this and import numpy as np, and array is equal to np.array, and let's have a 2D array 1 2 3 4, and then we have 4 5 6, and new array equals array dot reshape, and we pass in -1. We print new array. So we should have a 1D array now. So let's run the program. You see we have two lists now, 1 2 3 4, and we have a list 4 5 6. So basically we have converted the array into 1D array. So that's it for this training in NumPy array shaping and reshaping. See you next time with a new topic in Python.